So you're totally sold on Ayurveda and the benefits for you and for the world, but you just have no idea how to make a living and business from it? Let's take a few minutes and I'll show you clearly how our trainings set you up ready to get going immediately and for which career and business options. My name is Myra Lewin. I'm the founder of Polypole Ayurveda and Yoga, where I've taught over 10,000 people how to live symptom-free and to feel fabulous with holistic natural practices. In each of these videos, I'll offer one simple task or insight that you can put into action to take you a step closer to being an accomplished Ayurvedic healer. In the next few minutes, I'll share some stories from our graduates' experience and some of the career and business options that you can have. And then you'll know just how you can make a living when you choose to be an Ayurvedic healer. As an Ayurvedic advisor or health counselor, you'll be qualified to practice most anywhere in the world. Your opportunities are abundant, including starting your own business, partnering with related offerings, things like massage therapists or yoga studios, or even working in the corporate environment, offering education and counseling. We've had a couple of graduates take Ayurveda into their corporations and even into an agency of their government. Some people have started retreat centers and others have focused on working with addiction recovery centers. Our graduates have gone on to do wonderful work in the field of Ayurveda. Kay, who's a graduate of our 600-hour Ayurveda Health Counselor program, felt the calling to pursue Ayurveda as a complement to her yoga training. Since her time graduating, she's run a number of courses in Ayurveda, she sees clients individually, and provides community education in Ayurveda. And her enthusiasm to share Ayurveda with the world even led her to joining Team Polypole. She's supporting the learning and the growth of our new students. Is your heart calling you to become an Ayurvedic healer? We've put together a great checklist of everything you need to know and do to take that next step. So let me know in the comments and we'll direct message that to you.